Hello friends, now I am going to explain about the program addition of two complex numbers. So generally for the complex number it is having two parts. One is real part and second one is imaginary part. Example here 10.3 plus 21.7i is the complex number. Here 10.3 is the real part, 21.7 is the imaginary part. So in this program we have to take two complex numbers and we have to add the two complex numbers and we have to print the result or sum of the two complex numbers. So here 4.5 plus 6.9i is the first complex number. 5.8 plus 14.8i is the second complex number. By adding these two complex numbers we are getting the result as 10.3 plus 21.7i. Then for doing this I am writing the program. Hash include stdio.h is the header file when we are using either printf or scanf functions. Next, this is the structure declaration. So this is the structure to store the complex number. In complex number it is having two parts, one is a real part and second one is imaginary part. So I am taking two structure elements. One is real, second element is imaginary. Both are float data type. So real part and imaginary part. This total parts gives one complex number. Okay, next I am not taking any structure variable here. I can take structure variables in main function. So next int main function, program execution will be start with main function, and next in main function I am declaring structure variables. For doing declaration of the structure variable we have to use this struct complex is the structure name. So struct complex, and I am taking three structure variables n1, n2, result. So n1 dot real, n1 dot imaginary gives the first complex number. n2 dot real, n2 dot imaginary gives the second complex number. Result dot real, result dot imaginary gives the result complex number. Okay, next. So by using printf function I am asking enter first complex number. Then we have to enter real part and imaginary part of the first complex number. Next, here I am asking enter the real and imaginary parts for the first complex number. So two values, both are float data type. So in scanf function %f. First part will be stored in n1 dot real. So n1 is the first complex number. So first part is the real part, so n1 dot real. Next n1 dot imaginary. So first part will be stored in n1 dot real and second part will be stored in n1 dot imaginary. So here I am asking enter real and imaginary part of the first complex number. So real part will be stored in n1 dot real and imaginary part will be stored in n1 dot imaginary. n1 is the structure variable to store first complex number. Next I am asking for second complex number. Next, now enter real and imaginary parts for the second complex number. Again we have to enter two float values. One is a real part, second one is imaginary part of the second complex number. To store the two float values I am writing scanf %f. First value will be stored in n2 dot real and second part will be stored in n2 dot imaginary. So n2 dot real, n2 dot imaginary, this gives the second complex number. Next we have to add these two complex numbers and we have to place the result in third complex number. Okay, now we have to add n1 dot real plus n2 dot real. So n1 dot real plus n2 dot real. This means n1 dot real means real part of the first complex number. n2 dot real means a real part of the second complex number. The total will be stored in result dot real. Result means third complex number. So this total will be stored in result dot real. In third complex number, in real part the result will be stored. Like we have to add imaginary part of the two complex numbers also. n1 dot imaginary is the imaginary part of the first complex number, n2 dot imaginary is the imaginary part of the second complex number. By adding two complex numbers imaginary parts, the result will be stored in result dot imaginary. So result is the structure variable we are using to store the third complex number, that is the result part. So result dot real result dot imaginary gives the sum of two complex numbers. Next, to print the resultant complex number, I am writing in printf statement like sum is equal to percentage dot 1 f. That means percentage dot 1 f means it prints the float value. After dot it gives only one digit, plus percentage dot 1 f, again same, it prints the float value. In float value after the dot it prints only one digit. Dot 1 means after dot it prints only one digit in float value. I means complex number representation. So now result dot real plus result dot imaginary I, we are getting the result. So first complex number 4.5 plus 6.9i, second complex number 5.8 plus 14.8i. In addition, I am writing like result dot real equal to n1 dot real plus n2 dot real. So n1 dot real means 4.5, n2 dot real means 5.8. By adding these two, we are getting 5 plus 9, 5 plus 4, 9, 8 plus 5, 13. So 13 means 10 plus 3. So 10 plus 3 will be stored in result dot real. I am printing result dot real here. So it is printing 10.3 plus result dot imaginary. Here result dot imaginary is n1 dot imaginary plus n2 dot imaginary. n1 dot imaginary means 6.9, n2 dot imaginary means 14.8. Now total is 14 plus 6, 20 plus 1, 21.7. So 21.7i. So this is the sum of two complex numbers.